Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 073-848-1382, and today we have a 2013 Toyota 86 GT Coupe. Stock reference number 4414. This shape runs from the 4th month 2012 and is the current shape. It has an FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine backed by a 6-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. FA20 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol boxer engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the left-hand side. We have the bonnet, which has a couple of small, very tiny dents. Front bumper cover, light scuffs in the center of it. Right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light and indicator. Left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light and indicator. This vehicle is fitted with 16-inch factory alloy mags. The left rear has a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. It's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Quickly, there's 2 tiny dents. A non-spoiler type. Right-hand tail light. Right rear, 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right-hand door has 1 small dent and a few light wobbles throughout the centre of the door. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and red cloth interior. It's got a manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, left hand sun visor, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, right hand sun visor, and instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.